Instagram quick replies. You get repetitive questions, not just from your dog, cat or son or daughter. I don't really have a solution if you get questions from animals. Maybe you're getting the same questions from your audience, from your friends on Instagram, and you gotta type in the same response about your product, service, answer, frequency, ask question, whatever. All I want from you is to forget the Notes app on your Android or iPhone device and embrace the Instagram quick reply option. So here is how to use them. All I want from you is to do a few things for them. First, grab a cup of coffee because you're awesome. Second, grab your free 0 to 10k followers on Instagram guide that you can get in the description down below. It's beginners friendly. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Okay, so the first thing you gotta know if you want to use the quick replies function is that you need a business or a creator account. I'll show you how to get one right now. So what you do to create a business or a creator account is go on the three dashes right here, click on settings, the first option at the top, click on account, this option down below, and you have switch to a creator or switch to a business account. It's raining outside, it's late, I know, and I'm recording YouTube videos. This is how you switch. When you do actually have a creator account, you have a few options, right? If we go here, and the way to actually access a quick replies is as a creator account. I will show you how to access it as a business account as well. Is you go on the three dashes right here, click on settings again, and click on creator, this option. It's at the top, creator. From here you have the quick replies option. As you can see, I have a bunch of quick replies, right? About my videos. People ask me about my 0 to 10k guide, right? And if you want to add a quick reply is you just add the plus option, have a shortcut for it and what the quick reply should have, right? The second way to actually add a quick reply, and it works whatever you're doing, is go on the chat and you just click on this button, the plus, click on this button then and add the plus option, right? This works on a business or a creator account. And if you're just a business account, another way to actually do it is just click on business right here, click on quick replies and actually do the same thing. I don't have any quick replies on this account. It's that simple now, huh? And if you stayed all the way until the end, I can tell you some bonus tips. If you wanna help an audience, sell them something, nurture them, you can actually build a funnel, an email sequence that you can warm up an audience with. You can also do Instagram stories with poll options, yes and no, and based on the poll answer, you can have quick replies that you can start conversations, converse, be social on Instagram, and that way your followers will see your content more regular. Another bonus thing that I can throw in right now is I can shout you out. Just comment your Instagram username down below and what your Instagram account is about, and I'll shout you out in one of the next episodes. The shout out winners on this episode are... Remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. I love this ambient sound of rain. I hope you can hear it. This is no financial advice, this is no medical advice, and by the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. See you in the next one, bye.